Aider versus Claude Code, which AI coding assistant wins. Choosing the right coding assistant can completely change how you streamline your development process without the frustration of debugging. Let's briefly explore both options. Aider and Claude Code are powerful AI coding assistants designed to enhance your programming experience. The core difference lies in their approach. Aider focuses on real-time coding support, while Claude Code emphasizes advanced code generation and debugging capabilities. Aider is an AI coding assistant that provides real-time suggestions and code completions as you type. It integrates seamlessly with popular IDEs, making it a valuable tool for both beginners and experienced developers. Aider excels in providing context-aware suggestions, which can significantly speed up coding tasks. However, it may lack some advanced debugging features found in other tools. Ideal users include those looking for immediate coding help or those who want to enhance their productivity without extensive setup. Aider's user-friendly interface and quick learning curve make it accessible for all skill levels, ensuring that you can code more efficiently and effectively. Claude Code stands out for its advanced code generation and debugging features. This AI assistant can analyze your code base and suggest optimizations, making it particularly useful for complex projects. Claude Code is designed for developers who require in-depth analysis and support for a wide range of programming languages. Its ability to understand and generate code snippets based on high-level descriptions is a significant strength. However, it may require a bit more time to set up and learn compared to simpler tools. Ideal users are those working on large-scale applications or those who need a more analytical approach to coding. Claude Code's comprehensive capabilities can help streamline the development process and reduce the time spent on debugging. When comparing Aider and Claude Code, consider your specific needs. Aider shines in providing immediate coding assistance, making it perfect for quick tasks and learning environments. For example, if you're a student or a hobbyist, Aider can help you write code faster. On the other hand, Claude Code is better suited for professional developers working on complex projects. Its advanced features can help identify bugs and suggest improvements, saving time in the long run. In a scenario where a developer is tackling a large code base, Claude Code's analytical capabilities can offer significant advantages. Ultimately, the choice between Aider and Claude Code depends on whether you prioritize real-time assistance or advanced code analysis. For those seeking immediate coding support and ease of use, Aider is the clear choice. If your focus is on advanced coding capabilities and debugging, Claude Code is the better option. Choose the tool that aligns with your development style and enhance your coding experience today.